I bought a used sewing machine from an online auction and it's just arrived, so let's open the box and take a look at it. It came with this case, which is great for traveling because it rolls along. It's got pockets on the sides and in the front to carry all of your accessories. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. Side pocket has the power cord. Pocket on the other side has the foot pedal. This sewing machine does not require using the foot pedal. It has a stop and start button on it. And here's an owner's manual. Okay, let's take a look at the machine. Here it is. It's a Singer Quantum L-500. These were first manufactured in 2010 and at this point is a discontinued model. Here's the guide to all of the stitches the machine can do. The spool stand can accommodate 2 spools at the same time, so you can either stitch with 2 different colors of thread, or you can be stitching with one of the spools of thread, and then if you need to wind a bobbin, you don't need to unthread your machine in order to do that. I mentioned earlier that the machine has a stop-start button, but in case you want to use the foot pedal, you just unwind the wire from the storage area underneath and then plug it in here on the side. So I'm going to turn on the power for the very first time, crossing my fingers. Yay! Well, at least the power goes on. Now let's look at some of the features. We have width control. You change it like this. I want to say this has a very wide width setting possible. Look at this, 9 millimeters. Okay, and then stitch length. It's a 5, and it has 1, 2, 3 different types of buttonholes. So it came with this foot, and this is the only foot it looks like there's in the package, and it's a special foot because it's got this. So I'm going to read the manual, I'm going to look at some videos, and then I will learn about it and I will come back and report. Oh, this hole here is because it is able to have a knee lifter. It didn't come with it. I kind of priced it out already, and it looks like probably for about $30–35 I would be able to get one. I've never had a machine that has one, so I don't know that I need it right now. I probably would definitely just use this machine for a while and see how I like it. Also, it doesn't have an extension table. I think that instead of trying to get the piece that just goes on right here, I would go ahead and get a full extension table for it. It's got a really wide right here. Let me see what I can show you. I don't have a shorter ruler here, so let me see here. Okay, it's 8.5 inches. So this really is a great machine for quilting and fancy stuff. Look at all of these different, oh, there's more buttonhole options in here. So here are all of the different stitches that are possible.